Hi everyone, it's Sherry with Studio 28E, and I have a cute little book, golden book that I've altered into a journal. It's 5.5 or 6 by 8, and it's got like probably a 1.25 inch spine. The book was cut very carefully. It still has a crease here on the covers, so I was able to attach it to be the full size. It's 62 pages. It's full of tons of tags and extras. And I did this bolo type closure with just a little bead. Doesn't come off. Slides right over. I got that idea from Jeannie Marshall. Thank you, Jeannie. And inside the journal, inside the cover, I put this Merry Christmas to you, and I backed it on a piece of red ribbon, and I left the little golden book belongs to, so whoever purchases it and can put their name there, or if it's a gift for someone, they can put that person's name there. The book has been taken apart, like I said. It's got my pages mixed in between them, but it's still in sequence. The story's still in sequence, so it didn't disrupt any of that. On this page, there's a glitter card or a shaker card that I added. It was sent to me from a friend. I think her name was Michelle, and I cannot remember her last name. And here's a card from my kit that's available in my Etsy shop. Little lace pocket. The lace came from Lindsay's and Noor. This I purchased or got from my mom's stash. Here's the first page, and that's from my kit. Writing page from my kit. There's another page from the kit. It's got angels and singing, and it's a pocket. And on this side, it's a page from the kit. And this is a page from the kit that I lined with paper to have a writing sheet. You can journal on. It's the first page of the book. It even has the price from the thrift store that I bought it from still in it. Here's another page from the book. This is from my kit. And it's backed with this page from the kit. And here's a little envelope that opens up. And you can write on the inside. It's attached with this little paper clip that I've altered. Made a little fancy and put a little bead on it. It's the page from the kit. Another page. This is paper that I dyed with blue food coloring. This is from the kit. This card is from the kit. The cards are all lined with coffee stained paper. Some have lines on them, but that paper has also been coffee stained. This is the book. When I cut the book apart, I put the pages back together with lace, so it's still hinged. And here's a page from the kit that's also an envelope. And inside is this other little writing sheet. There are lines on the printed side, and you can write on the back. There's a lot of lace, as you can see, cotton lace. I've added some stickles to some of the brighter spots for highlights. I added this, All Things Merry and Bright. This Vintage Santa. This page is from the kit, and he has some silver stickles on his tree. And it's a pocket as well. And on the side is Santa. And here is a writing card, or journaling card, I guess you would call it. And here's another one that opens up. And they have attachments, ribbons, or fibers to pull them out of the pockets. And here's a page from the kit with Mary. Now this book has a few tears in it. It's from 1974, so you know it's delicate, but it's not going to fall apart on you right away or anything. There's a guest check that you can journal on the front and the back with this journaling tag inside of it. And it's been tucked into this ribbon belly band, or I guess it's lace. And I put this cap from the kit at the bottom to kind of hold the tag in place. Page from the kit is a snowflake with some cheesecloth, blue cheesecloth, and some sparkly blue eyelash trim. And this was cut with my Cricut. This is a page from the kit. This is a page from the kit, and I'm not sure what you'll be able to see. I have stickled the snowflakes and the fur on this little girl's outfit, the Christmas tree, and then I added some pom-poms to the little boy's coat and his hat. That's a page from the book. It's a page from the book with Jesus' birthday. Just a pocket with an angel sticker. And in the pocket is this journaling card. The back side of that pocket, it's got that another Santa with the silver stickles. There's the same Santa that's on the other side, and I added silver stickles. There's a page from the kit. There's a page from the book. This is a tag from the kit. And this is just a tuck spot I made with some vintage music and some brown craft paper and some eyelash trim. It's a page from the kit, and actually this can be used as a tuck spot as well. This is the second signature. You start with pages from the kit, or pages of the book, I'm sorry, that's from the book as well. This is from my kit. There's a page from the kit. And on the other side is a page from the kit. And it has this little postcard, miniature postcard. And it's lined with coffee dyed paper so you can write in it. And it has an altered paper clip. Oops, what am I doing here? Altered paper clip that is used to hold it on. And the bead should not fall off because the paper clip has been bent. There's a page from the kit, or an image from the kit I should say, and she can be used as a tuck spot. And she is a pocket with another one of those writing sheets. It's printed but it has the lines on it. And there's a little bit of stickles on these flowers for the girls, and I put a pom-pom on her hat. This is from the kit. I'm sorry, from the book. And that's another page from the book. This is from the kit. And that's from the book. This is from the kit. This is from the kit, and I added some stickles to the bells and her wings and to the snow on the ground. This is some dyed paper with some washi tape on the edge, and it's a pocket, and it has these two journaling cards inside, backed with coffee stained paper. It's the center of the second signature, which is a page from the kit. And here's the other side of that pocket, and it has that writing sheet with lines. Page from the kit. I think that might have come from another kit that I designed. And here's a little girl, Angel, from the kit. And she's got some blue cheesecloth and some lace behind her. And she too can be used as a tuck spot. Here's a page from the kit, and this is from the kit. I made it into a belly band and added this little tag that goes behind it. It's got brown craft paper on the back of it. Yeah, it says good cheer. It's a page from the kit. I added snowballs and stickles to the snowflakes and some of the snow. That's from the book. Here's another dyed page with a red ribbon attached and a little embellishment from the kit. That's another guest check that fits in there snugly. I created it as a tuck spot, and you can also write on the back of it, and I inserted this little tag to the inside of that. Added some buttons and some twine. Now any of this stuff can be moved any place you'd like it. That's just where I've placed it. It's a writing page from the kit. This is from the book. From the book. This is from the kit. It's a pocket. It has two tags in it. A little reindeer. And then the children playing in the snow. And on this one there's some lace. And I put stickles on their big snowball. And this one has the brown craft paper that you can write on, and this one has lines. page from over here, and this is the back side, and it's the blue dyed paper, and it's got another snowflake with some blue cheesecloth and some sparkly blue eyelash trim. The page from the kit. Another page from the book. I put Glad Tidings up there. And the last page of the book and journal is Mary remembered these things and treasured them in her heart while the child grew strong in spirit and full of wisdom, and the grace of God was upon him. And I put this Peace on Earth sticker there. It's an acetate sticker. And the back remains original. And I will be listing this in my Etsy shop a little bit later on today. And hopefully you enjoyed this journal. It was interesting to make. It's something I totally have never done. I thought it was going to be, oh, this is printed, all I gotta do is take it apart and then do this, this, and this. No, there were so many other options that I didn't just do whatever. I could have kept going, but you would never have been able to close it if I had. So take a look at my Etsy, and I will leave the link below. Thank you.